Hi first graders, today I'm going to show you how to submit a video response in a discussion. So sometimes we're going to ask you a question and you're going to want to record your answer so you don't have to type it out. So today I'm going to go into this reading folder, and then here is a discussion. You can see it kind of has two speech bubbles off to the side, and today you're going to answer the question of telling us just about a book that you read, or your favorite book, or your favorite character in a book, just something quick about one of your favorite books. So here's the discussion. I'm going to go here next to, you'll see your picture on when you do your own, and then I'm going to click in that little box. Down here you see 4 buttons. We want this one that kind of looks like a microphone. It says audio video recording, so I'm going to click on that. This first one will just record your voice. Sometimes we'll do that, but for today we're going to do audio and video. So I'm going to click on the second button. And then there I am. Okay, so then you'll see yourself. I'm not recording anything yet. Once you get it all set so we can see you and not just like the top of your head or the side, you want to make sure your camera is where we can see your face. Then you're going to hit the blue button that says start recording. And then up here you can see the timer's going. That means this whole thing's recording. So one of my favorite authors is Jon Klassen. I think his books are really funny. That's my favorite book. Then I'm going to hit stop recording. Okay, and there's my video. I'm not quite done. Then I hit the blue button again and it'll insert or put your recording into our discussion. So there it is. And then I have to type something here. So you could just type your name, maybe. Anything in that box. And then the post button will light up. So then I hit post. Ta-da! There it is. So today I want you to come in here, click on the microphone, the second button, start recording, tell us your answer, stop recording, insert recording, type in the box, and then hit post. Good luck, friends.